Hey, Marcus Wolford here. Today we're going to do an advanced single leg exercise. It's a combination of two of my favorite exercises, the speed skater squat and the pistol. I call it the speed skater pistol walk. Now, in order to be able to do this exercise, you obviously need to be able to do both exercises. You need to be able to somewhat easily do a speed skater squat and be able to do a pistol. What are those? Speed skater squat is one of my favorite single leg exercises because it keeps the lumbar in extension. Technically, any unilateral exercise where one leg is going backwards, like a basic split squat, is going to keep that lumbar in extension, which is great, especially if you're new to unilateral leg exercises. This is going to be a hovering speed skater squat because the back leg is not technically going to touch the ground until you do the transition. So you're going to pick which leg you want to go down with. I'm going to squat with my right leg. I'm going to lean forward at the hips, squat down as my back leg is going down. Now if the toe's too low, it's going to touch the ground. Keep that toe up until the back knee is about 1 to 2 inches above the ground. Then put the toe down, and then you're going to transition to the bottom of a pistol. Right here, straighten that foot, and come up. Once you're up, you're going right back into the next rep. Speed skater squat, put down the toe, and then pistol. Now from here, you can either go back forward or just keep walking back. Going forward is actually perhaps more difficult because it involves starting at the bottom of the speed skater squat and coming back up. I'll put this foot down, transition, leaning forward, picking up the back foot, and then coming out of that speed skater squat. Now I'm gonna go back down into a fun little pistol. Same thing on this leg, put down the foot, transition that knee forward. Once I'm here, I'm just gonna lift that back foot, not resting the knee on the ground, and then stand up.
All right, this version is only walking backwards. It's really fun. It's also fun to challenge a buddy. So go ahead and find a buddy and see who can walk the furthest backwards in the speed skater squat pistol backwards walk, completely strict. All right, you ready? All right, I got a buddy. Are you ready?
Yeah.
You ready? Okay, here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Just try your best.
Okay, that's it. Like I said, you should obviously already be able to do a speed skater squat and a pistol relatively easily, which is going to require good single leg strength, good contralateral abdominal strength, and good mobility. Let me know if you have any questions.